We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about Quick Select tool in Autocad. Quick Select creates a selection set by filtering by object types and properties. Let's move to the video to know more about Quick Select tool. In this example, there is lot of circles and rectangles are there. Our requirement is select the all circles from this drawing. For creating this selection set, we use object type option in Quick Select. For activating the command Quick Select, we use the short key Q Select. Now a Quick Select dialog box is appeared. Here we select the object type as circle and click OK. Now you can see the all circles in this drawing are selected. Using delete key, I delete this all selected circle. Next, my requirement is select the red circles from the drawing. For creating this selection set, we use property option in Quick Select. Again, active the command and select the object type as circle. Now we use the property. Here we use color as the property, and in this box we use the color red. Then click OK. Now you can see the red circle is only selected. Again, using the delete key, I delete that for circle selected. I hope you understand the use of Quick Select tool in Autocad. Thank you for watching this video.